Hello and welcome to Section 2, an overview of Horizon View architecture and its components. So what we're going to cover in this section? We're going to start this section by introducing you to a high-level overview of the complete Horizon solution and its different parts, before then moving into a more detailed overview of each component and how that component works. In the next videos, we're going to look at how to assign virtual desktops, either persistent or non-persistent, and then how that desktop image is built using the linked clone technology. We will then conclude the discussion around how to build desktops by talking about the instant clone method. In the next videos following in this section, we will look at delivering profile management with persona management and then the more advanced UEM solution, before looking at printing, USB peripherals, and then how to virtualize applications using VMware's ThinApp packaging program. In the final videos of the section, we're going to look at the different ways of delivering the desktop experience to the end users using the display protocol, and then some of the more advanced graphics options, before then going on to discuss how an end user actually connects to their virtual desktop using the Horizon client. In the final video of the section, we will cover off some of the other key components and the features of Horizon 7. So without further delay, let's move on to the first video of Section 2 and introduce you to the core Horizon 7 solution and its different components. In this first video, we're going to take a bird's eye view of the complete Horizon solution and all the parts that comprises of it. Central to the Horizon View solution is the connection broker. Connection broker is responsible for connecting users to desktops and applications. Those desktops could be either virtual desktop machines or published desktop sessions, while the applications could also be published using RDSH. While on the subject of applications, by adding Workspace ONE into the solution, you can deliver a central web-based portal from where users can launch all of their applications. Not only can they launch their Horizon View virtual desktop machines and applications, but also Citrix XenApp published applications and other software as a service based apps, all by using an app catalog. When it comes to applications, there are a couple of smart technologies to help with both delivery and management. First of all, you can virtualize applications with ThinApp so that they are contained in their own little bubble, abstracted away from the underlying OS, giving you isolation, allowing applications to run on an operating system that they may not have been designed to run on. The second option is App Volumes, that allows you to deliver just-in-time applications on demand using application layering technologies, ideal for a non-persistent virtual desktop environment. The final pieces of the puzzle revolve around management and how to manage and deploy desktop images, user profiles, and things like printing and external peripheral support. All this is delivered to the end user using the Horizon client and a delivery or display protocol.